Hello everyone, so today we have 4 to the power of a plus 4 to the power of a equals to 64. So if we solve together, let's seek solution. Our equation 4 to the power of a plus 4 to the power of a equals to 64. Here 4 to the power of a is common to the two terms, but if we factor it out, 4 to the power of a and open a bracket, 4 to the power of a divided by 4 to the power of a, what we have is 1, plus here also is 1, everything equals to 64. And if you do this very well, we're going to have 4 to the power of a times 2. 1 plus 1 is 2, equals to 64. At the next line, we're going to divide both sides by 2, so that 4 to the power of a times 2 will be over 2, and 64 also will be over 2. So 2 can cancel out. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 1 times 4 to the power of a is 4 to the power of a equals to 64 divided by 2, that is 32. Thank you for watching our videos. I would like to invite you to subscribe to our channel, turn on your notification button, give this video a thumbs up, and also leave a comment. Alright, so let's continue. Here we can write 4 as 2 to the power of 2, that is 2 to the power of 2 also to the power of a is equals to, and 32 also can be written as 2 to the power of 5, and we are fine. So the next line becomes 2 to the power of 2 times a, that is 2a, equals to 2 to the power of 5. But a to the power of n equals to a to the power of 2. Since the bases are the same, we can therefore equate the power so that n will be equals to 2, and we are fine. So we're going to do this here. We have the common base of 2, so we can write 2a equals to 5. And if we divide both sides by 2, so that 2 will cancel out 2, what is left is a equals to 5 all over 2. And that's the value for a. To verify if this value satisfies the equation, from our original equation, 4 to the power of a plus 4 to the power of a equals to 64. If you do the substitution for a, 4 will be to the power of 5 over 2 plus 4 to the power of 5 all over 2. Can this be equals to 64? And 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 5 over 2 plus 2 to the power of 2 also to the power of 5 over 2. Can this be equals to 64? Here 2 can cancel out 2. Again 2 here we cancel out 2. What is left is 2 to the power of 5 plus 2 to the power of 5. Can this give us 64? And 2 to the power of 5, that is 32. Plus 32 is indeed equals to 64. 32 plus 32 is equals to 64. So it's true that the value of a as 5 over 2 is correct. Thank you for staying tuned. Please don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Bye.